Hi guys, here 1 plus 2 power 2 is 4 times. Here 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 5. Here 1 plus 4 is 5 times 7 minus this 5. Here 5 times 7 is 35 minus this 5. Here 35 minus 5 is 30 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 30 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority than other operation. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operation PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. 1 plus 2 square times the bracket here is 3 plus 4, which is 7 minus 5. Now the next priority is exponent. Here we have exponent is 2 power 2. Here 1 plus 2 power 2 is 4 times 7 minus 5. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So here 1 plus 4 times 7 is 28 minus 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is 1 plus 28. 1 plus 28 is 29 minus this 5. Here 29 minus 5 is 24 is the correct answer.